How to access Temu Games. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, you have to make sure that your application Temu is up to date. If not, head over to your app store and then update the app. Once you have the latest version of the app, simply open it. Enter a login credential as in your email address and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Move into You at the bottom of the screen. In this page, you will be able to see the option of Earn Credit and Free Gifts. Simply head over to it. It will land you on this interface. So in this page, you will be able to see tons of games. With the help of these games, you will be able to earn tons of gifts and credits. Simply head over to any of the options from here. Let me head over to Fishland. Tap on Claim. It will be landing you on this page. So this is one of the games that you are able to play on Temu. What you want to do is, you have to feed them. Feed all of these fishes and then you'll be able to get some reward. Also, you have to follow the on-screen process and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can access game on Temu. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.